Okay, so now what we want to make sure is these dados are pretty flush. If they're not, you can always take your hammer, just tap it a little bit. If you tighten them too tight, loosen them up a little. Give it a little tap in there. Do the same thing on the other side. This one we got to go to the front. All right, so we're pretty close there. Now tighten these down. And now what we want to do is we want to put the screws in the top. We want to put 4 in on each side. Alright, so now we got everything flushed up on the fronts. Our back is all flushed up. What we want to do is we want to drive in our screws. So what we're going to do is start up here at the front. Slowly run your screws down in it so you don't split the wood. And just sink them down a little bit. And we're going to do that 4 times on each side. And we repeat the same thing on the other side. 4 screws. Put them in slow so you don't crack the wood. Countersink them a little bit. That'll draw everything up nice and tight. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to put the screws in across the bottom so that we can draw both sides together. What we want to do is we've got about 3 inches of wood down here to come into, so don't go near the edge, but try to get yourself in there, kind of in the middle. Drive it in there, sink it down in there. That'll draw the sides together nice and tight. Alright, now what we want to do is do that same thing on the other side. You want to put 4 screws in on the bottom. Torque them in real good because it'll pull it in. You can see when you're putting the screw in, it'll actually draw the sides in. It'll square up everything nice for you. Alright, at this point, the carcass is done. We've got the main part of it done. So next step, we're going to show you how to put the front on.